Fighter jets showcase power as USS Truman enters CENTCOM.
Before details, please subscribe our CIS News Studio 1S channel. News details.
The USS Harry S. Truman Carrier Strike Group HSTCSG, led by the flagship USS Harry S. Truman CVN-75, made a powerful entrance into the U.S. Central Command Area of Responsibility on December 14, 2024. Military fighter jets performed a stunning aerial display as the Carrier Group, including Carrier Air Wing 1, Destroyer Squadron 28, and guided missile destroyers, began its deployment to reinforce regional security and stability. The operation highlights the United States' commitment to maintaining peace and deterring threats in the region, demonstrating the might of naval and air forces.
Do not forget to subscribe our CIS News Studio 1S channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.